is Fridge McChesthair. Hell yeah. Family, shit's going on YouTube. Putting it out for y'all. All the 36 subscribers that I got going. I think this is more of a challenge than any food challenge I ever did. This is riding 27 miles for my uncle, my cousin, her husband. Oh yeah, on my bike. Traffic, yeah. Hell yeah. Motorcycle helmet, just in case. Yep, we're gonna make this ride. Keep listening, folks. Got a story for you. Give you a little view. This is a side camera. So I think I'm safe. But that was a cop as I was talking to you guys. He didn't look too pleasant. I mean, he kind of gave me the head nod. But it's all I need to get pulled over. I may have to record this and tell him, well, sir, I'm on my way to some free breakfast. And I'm riding my bike. And obviously, I act like it's winter. I don't know why. Well, kind of know why. I stayed up all night. I worked out after work. And then I went home. I drank only a little bit, just a couple. That's what I do. And then family's like, well, come over for some breakfast. Because I post on Facebook. Thank God for Facebook. Nothing like this kind of view. Nothing like this, man. And I know what you're thinking. If you saw me, you would hate me. But that's alright. Get your cameras out, because I'm the only one that does it in a motorcycle helmet. Oh yeah! Motorcycle helmet and winter clothes. I'm ready to go ice fishing. The ice isn't ready for me, or the water I should say, isn't ready for me. That's alright. So, maybe I'll upload another one. You gotta get the hands on the wheel. It's Sunday morning. No one should be driving. So if I get hit, don't be mad at me. Be mad at the guys that are driving on a Sunday morning at this time. They have no business. I know your third shifters, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, whatever. And then you hangover, guys. Well, if you're hungover, whoa, that's some bitch. They get close, man. Crazy motherfuckers. Well, I gotta go. I gotta put two hands on the wheel. Make sure they don't hit me. If you do see this on the Fridge McChesthair, you know I made it. Right on. Subscribe, Thank you. Love you all. Especially you, family. Take it easy.